No, we're not going round the world with Zephyr 4, but today is the end of the 2023-2024 Clipper Round the World race. So here's a video to show you some of the colourful and somewhat chaotic welcome for the 11 competing yachts. The kites look good, don't they? This first few boats are the Clipper 68s. They have gone round the world in the past but are now used for training. Further out we saw a couple of spectator boats full of excited people, and away in the distance a stationary cross-channel ferry. As we approached, we could see the Clipper 70s that have raced around the world, organising themselves in line astern. Two tugs then turned on their fire hoses and they all followed the ferry past all the spectators ashore and into Portsmouth Harbour. Bill and I said goodbye to the fleet and turned Zephyr 4 to the east for a visit to Chichester Harbour. There'll be a video to follow. Fortunately, Dean and Deb of Winging It had volunteered to help in the harbour homecoming and took lots of photos, and here they are as a montage of this very special day. This is Suhaili, a very important vessel. It was in Suhaili that Sir Robin Knox-Johnston made the first solo, non-stop navigation of the world. The Clipper races were his idea to give almost anyone a chance to race around the world in a sailing boat. It's so good to see him at 85 at the helm of this special boat. When we arrived back at Portsmouth the following day, we saw the fleet moored at Gunwharf Quay, bathed in the evening sunlight.